Good morning. I'm going to talk about today replacing the sanding pad on a Random Orbital Sander. This one I have here is a Ridgid. It's model 2601. It's pretty common. It's got a sanding bag. I've taken that off, or a catch bag. The problem is the pad itself loses the ability to hold the sanding pad in place. And I'll show you what I mean here. I guess it doesn't need to have the holes lined up necessarily. Got it plugged in. Probably does need to be square on there. Now I can feel right now that it doesn't even have any grip at all on the sanding pad. I'm pressing it on there pretty good, and it just kind of pulls right off. This is the replacement. So you can see it's a little bit, well, if nothing else, newer looking. It's got, this one has a metal backing. You can get them with plastic backing. I'm also going to, so I guess I don't really need to try it out, because that sort of proves my point that there's no grip to this. So this is held on by 4 Torx screws, T25. So I'll pull those off real quick. And this pad just comes right off. And now with this in place, you can put the sanding pad on, line up the holes, drop in the screws, just kind of put one in. Start the opposite corner so you know you've got them all lined up. The last one in place. Now let's set that pad on there. Oh, yep, it's sticky. Line up the holes, because this is the next one I'm going to use. Now just setting that on there, I can tell that it's already got grip. And let me plug it in. Before, when I did that, this pad, this sandpaper, would fly off. So it was pretty loose. So this one is junk. I will toss this one. This came in a package of 2, so I have one for the next time it wears out.